Adding a digital passport to your Apple Watch is something many people are curious about, especially with the growing shift toward digital IDs and contactless travel. It sounds convenient just raising your wrist instead of pulling out a physical passport, but the setup isn't as direct as adding a regular card to your wallet. In the US, digital identification features are still limited and depend on specific supported programs, such as state IDs or TSA compatible digital IDs, rather than a full passport replacement. This can make the process a bit confusing if you're expecting a simple add passport option. The key is understanding what's currently supported and how it syncs between your iPhone and Apple Watch. Once set up correctly, your watch can display eligible digital ID information for supported uses, making travel steps faster and more convenient where accepted. Try these. Step 1. Open the Wallet app on your iPhone. Step 2. Tap the plus add button and look for driver's license or state ID options. Step 3. Follow the prompts to scan your ID and complete verification. Step 4. Confirm identity with Face ID or passcode as required. Step 5. Ensure Wallet is enabled on Apple Watch to sync the ID automatically. Step 6. Open Wallet on your Apple Watch to access your digital ID when supported.